Swiss machines are long, narrow parts. We always did a lot of motor shafts. We do a lot of medical parts, bone screws, anything with a longer length to diameter ratio.
How long of a Swiss part can you make? Like forever, right?
I've made 12-foot long parts before that we just keep feeding through the machine. And the reason that we can, or what the Swiss concept is we have that center support or a guide bushing. So way back in 1897 or whatever, when here in the United States Brown and Sharp was making screw machines, back in Switzerland they designed basically something for their trade, which was the watch parts. So they came up with this concept of having the tool sit right next to the guide bushing or next to a support, so that they were able to not get any deflection and make these really small parts quickly and efficiently.